Hey futures traders, this is Rick with your futures trading coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, November 6th, and I'm going to let you know what we had today. We did have a long in the NASDAQ. I was having some tough technical difficulties, so we did not take this. This was a nice little long that we had. The trades we got were a crude long, and it was a beautiful trade. Once we got into a risk-free trade, we were able to then take the NASDAQ short as well. But from left to right here, the crude trade was pretty cool. That was a long trade, and we were in as low as 56.10, and that was on the 10 o'clock candle. 10 o'clock candle, got into a risk-free trade on that. Once we're in a risk-free trade, we can take other ones. So we did have a short on the NQ as well, and that was on the 10-12 candle. I told everybody that you could do that one. That was at 63.0650. That trade made up to 20 ticks. Up to 20 ticks. That was a nice trade. The crude trade was our trade of the day. That one went from 56.10. Some people were in from 13, and the trade just kept going. I mean, we had to close out of the room right there of the trade, and it did go higher, but obviously that was, that was after another 40 ticks higher, but that was in the afternoon. So the trade went from around 56.10 all the way up, well over 100 pennies. And we had targets here as well. Most people were out in here up to 70 ticks, 50 ticks, 70 ticks, and then anybody with a runner or who wanted to stay in and trail, I offered to do that. We were trailing below this circle, and then when it pushed up there, it's just like, hey, everybody's got to be out of the trade. So that was just a killer trade, went just straight up. We also had a gold trade, which we did not take. We were actually contemplating, once we were in a free trade here, we were contemplating either the NASDAQ or the gold. I probably should have called it in the gold. It was a method trade, but we just try to have people in. We don't want people in 2-3 trades at one time with full risk on if we can avoid it. And of course, in hindsight, we should have probably taken the gold. But we got the crude too, which was nice. So no losing trades today, some killer opportunities, and we're going to come back tomorrow and we do it all over again. So until then, traders, have a great day.